Australia has been hit hard by COVID-19, and so have our neighbours. Our help is critical to recovery in the Pacific. Working together is the key. People, churches, communities and the private sector. Under Australian government leadership, development contracting companies unite all our efforts. They partner with local and international organisations and manage major activities. This helps deliver safe and prosperous lives for everyone in our region. Together, these companies employ more than 1,500 Australians. They manage hundreds of grants to grassroots organisations. They also bring together the best health, education and economic expertise for development.
The aged care sector in Australia is critical to the care of our seniors. Pacific Islanders play a vital role in our aged care system as nurses and carers. This is just one example of Pacific people filling key gaps in the Australian labour market. For our part, we continue to provide crucial support to the Pacific. Helping each other is what families do.
The private sector delivers close to a quarter of Australia's international development assistance. That's a lot of responsibility and a lot of money that needs to be well managed. Contracting companies have world-class expertise and strong management systems tested through competitive tendering. Companies also work together through the International Development Contractors community.
We have all had to rapidly innovate in response to COVID-19. With DFAT assistance, we've kept over 120 advisors in the field. This ensures the delivery of essential supplies. It also allows us to convey the best international advice and expand health services. Activities have been reorganised so countries get the economic and social support they need. But we haven't lost sight of broader needs in education, gender and governance. Expert management is key, and it's what we provide. Through years of engagement in over a dozen countries, we've built strong personal and organisational connections in the Pacific. Our members and the Australian brand are trusted in the Pacific. We provide the right assistance at the right time. We stay the course when times get tough.
Like in the aged care sector, Pacific workers are a key part of our food security system. Many temporary workers are fruit pickers, feeling shortages in the supply of local labour. During COVID, others shifted out of tourism and hospitality into rural work. They kept our supermarkets stocked and our farmers afloat. As local livelihoods have been lost in the Pacific, the money that temporary workers send home has been more important than ever. Another win-win of working together. Australia has also helped promote local food security in the Pacific. This has enabled key industries to continue producing whilst responding to COVID-19.
Skills development and the building of new IT-enabled industries will help the Pacific bounce back. Our members provide skills training, academic courses and other professional development to people throughout the region. We are responding to the challenges of COVID-19 together, and we're learning for the future. We're innovating and we're staying focused and committed in these unprecedented times.
The pandemic will be over soon, but our enduring relationship with our Pacific neighbours will remain long into the future.